Hello there, this is Patricia from Pinky's World. Today I am doing a really quick and easy wee idea for Valentine's Day. It's going to be another drop off at doorsteps for the grandchildren again, as COVID is just playing havoc with our lives over here. So once something really quick and easy that could be dropped off with a wee sweet, or this would be more for an adult, maybe just a wee gift. Inside it I have the lovely wee Lush lip balm, which you can get online now apparently. So what I have used, I should tell you, is the lovely curvy keepsakes. I think they're still available. Mini curvy keepsake box. I'm sure some of you have already bought these. They are just brilliant. That's it cut. I've cut it out just in Whisper White. I'm doing more inking with the brushes. If you haven't got yourself some of the lovely brushes that are available, you should get yourself some. It makes life so much easier. But I just thought I'd make a wee romantic-y box and in really magenta madness colours, just to keep it nice and bright and cheerful for Valentine's Day. So I have stamped a wee message on the inside as well. And the stamps that I've used is this lovely one here, Oval Occasions, which is a new one out in the new catalogue. And I'm just using this lovely wee thing here, and I'm using the kisses from this, and on the inside was a little treat for you. Just magenta and a piece of your basic white card and you're set. So let's get started. I've already cut it out. My machine is an electric one. I don't want to bring it over. I haven't invested in one of the ones that's available in Stampin Up, so I can't advise you on them, but nobody has complained about them so far. So if you need one, have a look at it, price around, see what you can get yourself and what suits your table, etc. So I've cut this out in the basic white, and I've also cut the wee heart, because I want the heart to go on the front of the box like so, with a wee bit of matching. Everything's matching, which is why I'm with Stampin' Up. I really want my stuff all to match. So, you know these boxes, if you have them, get your day out again, use it up. Use it for every occasion that comes up. Don't waste stuff that you've bought. Just get it out there and use it all up. So you have a good few options for that wee die set. We're going to start by stamping our wee hearts along, and the one that you want to keep, take all your wee bits out of the edges. The one you want to keep for the front will be this way. Just open it up. Oops. Just so you get it right. So we know this is going to be our front, so it's going to be this one here, and we're going to colour these all in the real magenta, give it a real blast of colour. But we're going to stamp first just to get those out of the way. And using Magenta Madness. Ooh. And the wee simple heart stamps. So just ink it up. And we're just going to go right along here. So you're just going in above that wee line. You can go higher if you want. If you want it, you know, further up your box, go ahead and do that. There's lots of wee ones. There's a wee one there for Easter. I'm going to make the same wee boxes again for Easter, because you can put money or anything in these. They're perfect for any time of the year. So just stamp right around the circle, and that's that wee design covered for you. We're going to do our inside stamp, which is this one, and yeah, we need to make it, I'm trying to work this out so that it works best for me, a treat for you, and keep it to the front, and this is going to be where we put our doodah. It's awful hard to see in this light if I'm straight or not, so fingers crossed. Probably not. I never stamp anything straight. So the other wee stamp would be the hugs and kisses. Sorry, I should show this side, but I only want to use the kisses. So what I'm going to do is a wee strip of paper of some kind. You can see I used that one already, and I'm just actually holding it there while I ink up, so long as it's covering the part you don't want your set. Just make sure you've got your K done right. And then just pop it in there, central as you can. Whoops. And there you have nice wee kisses. So we need this out now to do our inking, and we're going to ink that as well. Just so get yourself a scrap piece of paper to work on. Dip your brush into your ink and just tap off the excess as always. You don't start off your page and just go over. And just depending on how much or how little you want, gauge it yourself. And if you start off rather than on top of it, you'll get less brush marks. So that's as much as I want to do for that. This one now we're going to flip it over. We're doing the edges of the ones with the holder, and we're doing the full of this. So we'll just start off doing our edges. And again, you know, go in as far or as little as you want. It's entirely up to you. Go around this side. And don't worry about going over the edges because you're actually doing the whole thing with the deep colour. This is a gorgeous colour, like it's really nearly shocking pink. So we're going to go in now and give this a really good blast. I just thought it was too pale just doing the edges of the whole thing. So it depends on who you're giving it to. If you want to be like a wedding or something, keep it nice and fresh and not too deep. But if it's for a bit of fun, a bit of Valentine happiness, go for it. I'm going to tuck this one in so that I can go right in here and get the base done as well. Just make it as bold as you like. Tuck this one in. Not right? Yep. Just need to get this side done. And then we're going to do this one. And that has to be the quickest project you'll ever do. Oh! Stupid me, with the wrong side of it, and I have everything covered in ink. Yeah. Which will probably end up all over my project as per usual. So, try not to be messy. Get all your inky bits and pieces out of your way. Get your scissors and curl these. Just give them a wee curl. Just helps with the folding of them and gives it a much nicer shape. These ones you can actually tuck back. Now you could carry that pink on the inside as well if you fancied. Entirely up to you. Excuse the pink fingers. So, it's awkward as sin doing this, certainly. So that's going to all sit like that. And for the wee front bit, I'm just going to thread a bit of the ribbon through. I'm using the Magenta Madness ribbon. Just cut a whack of it off here. And I didn't want to, I was going to loop it round and then it's awkward for the youngsters to open. So I just decided I was going to tie it. So thread it through front to back and tie it. And just manoeuvre your knot so that it's sitting, you know, at the front nicely. And then just trim. I think I've got them the same, I'm not sure. Now I'm just going to use a dimensional on the back at the bottom there. And then just pop it on. I'm just going to sort of have it semi up so you can still see some of the wee doodads. So that's it. So simple, so nice, quick and easy. And you could do it in any colour you want. and give somebody a nice sweet treat. The lip balm's very good at this time of the year. I think we're all sort of dry, chapped lips for the winter, so that would be a nice wee gift. Or if you're going for the kids, put a nice heart-shaped chocolate in there. You can get them in Amazon or whatever posted out to you if you're not getting out to the shops. Obviously not a necessity, but it is if you're giving a gift. So there you have it. I hope you like them. I hope you'll have it a wee go. Like, what do you need? Basic card, one ink colour, and one stamp set of your choice. And there you have it. If you have that wee day, you're set. But otherwise, come up with something else. Right, I'll catch you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.